We are very excited today because we are, in a few minutes, going to launch one of our most significant products in recent years. And therefore, we wanted to share it with you right at the beginning. But before we get on to talking about the product we are going to launch today, I'd like to give you some context, some background, some big picture about Bridgestone. So Bridgestone is a company which was founded in Japan in 1931. Many of us know the brand Bridgestone, but not everyone is aware that it has Japanese roots. And the gentleman that you see on your screen, Ishibashi-san, was the founder of the company. So he set in place some very fundamental things about the business, which form the core of our philosophy and our strategy as well. First, he said that all businesses must contribute to the society in which they operate. They should not exist just to make profit. They should contribute to the society. And that has a significant impact on the way we do our business. That is one core philosophy. The other important aspect of Bridgestone is the adherence to very, very high quality standards in all our products across all our operations in the world. And actually, Bridgestone was the first tire company in the world to win the Deming Award. Deming is a globally recognized quality certification, and Bridgestone was the first tire company to ever get it in the world. And these two fundamentals are core to our business philosophy, are core to our strategy as we go forward. So let me give you some figures and the scale of the operation of Bridgestone across the world, and then I'll come to what we do in India. So we are a global leader in not just tire and rubber products, but more and more in mobility solutions. Our revenues for 2021 were in excess of $20 billion. I'm talking about worldwide revenues. And these revenues, to meet these revenues, we have manufacturing sites all across the world. In fact, we have close to 180 manufacturing locations in different continents and countries across the world. We invest a lot in technology, we invest a lot in research and development, and we have big R&D centers which are spaced strategically in important parts of the world. So we of course have an R&D center in Japan, which is our head office. We have an R&D center in Thailand. We have a big technology R&D center in Rome, which is the one which supports the Indian business. And of course we have an R&D center in North America. So through these R&D centers, we develop products and more solutions which are tailored to meeting our customers' needs. Of course, we are talking about Bridgestone, which is the brand under which this company was founded. But Bridgestone became one of the largest tire companies in the world when we acquired Firestone. Firestone is an American brand. In fact, Firestone is an iconic American brand which manufactured commercial tires. It was a pioneer in manufacturing commercial tires. And in 1980, Bridgestone acquired Firestone worldwide. So Firestone is an integrated part of the Bridgestone group. We make tires for many different segments. Across the world, we make tires for cars, for tractors, for buses, for trucks, large and small trucks, for motorcycles, usually high-end motorcycles, for mining and construction equipment, and even for aeroplanes. Along with making tire and rubber products, we have now transitioned into solutions for the mobility or the automotive industry. A big step we took was in 2019 when Bridgestone acquired the telematics division of TomTom. Today it is integrated under the Bridgestone umbrella under the name of Fleet Solutions. This provides mobility solutions which go alongside on top of our tire products, and it is actually helping us to meet our customers' needs in a better way. So that was Bridgestone across the world. Now let us talk a little bit about our presence and our history in India. So we have been present in India for close to 25 years now. We started our production in Indore, Pithampur specifically, in 1998. Today we have two large plants, one in Indore, which makes the passenger car tyres, and then we have another big plant in Pune, just outside Pune, in an industrial area called Chakan, where we make passenger car tyres and truck and bus radials as well. Our capacity today is close to 30,000 tyres in India. I'm talking about that because we have a policy, we have a strategy of being local for local. So 99% of our Indian business is serviced through these two manufacturing plants. And we have been expanding regularly over the last few years in tune with the growth in our business in India. Today we are going to talk about our passenger car or a consumer business where we are going to do the product launch. And this business has been very, very successful for us, especially in the last 3 to 4 years. And there are three main reasons for this success. You see them on your screen. We have been able to get very, very close and intimate with our customers to understand their needs. We have focused a lot on efficiency, especially in our operations. And then we have been working to make it easy to do business with Bridgestone in India. So if I talk about customer centricity first, the product that you're going to see launched is actually an outcome of a long and close working with consumers and customers in India to really understand their needs. And based on that, we have developed a product. It's also very important in the Indian market to be price competitive. So we work very hard to make our operations world class, not just to deliver good quality, but at competitive prices. And really we are able to provide our products to the customers in India, all across India, through our dealer partners. And it's very important that the relationship with the dealer partners and the way of doing business with them is seamless and smooth. So ease of doing business is very important. We have invested in this heavily in the last 3 years, and as a consequence of that, our business has grown significantly. Our volumes have grown by 60% in this period. Our revenues have done even better and have grown by 66% because we have been introducing new high-end products in the market. All this has been possible because we have a very good relationship with our dealer partners. Today we have more than 3,100 points of sale or outlets where we are able to provide our products to the consumers. A picture on the screen you will see is the typical family channel or a Bridgestone Select store. We have been investing in these stores so that we can provide a very good interface with our consumers. And the map on the right will show you the spread of our dealers and our points of sale across the country. So we are very, very well penetrated into all parts of India. And the last few years we have seen a growth in this, a significant growth of almost 48% in our dealer network. And this has been a key to the success. And eventually all of this has led to us becoming the market leader in India in the passenger car segment. Today we are number one company in the passenger car segment in India, and our market share has grown by 4 percentage points in the last 3 years, which is a significant development thanks to all the hard work of the Bridgestone team and our dealer partners. Along with growing the business, the brand, the Bridgestone brand, has also received a lot of effort and investment, and this has been recognized by external agencies, and we have won more than 25 awards in the last few years, and the most important one, one of the important ones, is the Brand Equity Award. This has been done through very targeted investment in digital marketing, and you will see some examples of that later today. But what we are focusing on is to ensure that the tyre technology that we have access to through our global presence we are able to bring the right part of it to the Indian market based on our understanding of the Indian consumer. Over the years, as the market has evolved, as the cars and the segments have evolved in India, we have regularly brought in new products. You can see some of the products mentioned on your screen. Bueller, for example, is a product targeted towards the SUV segment. Turanza and Potenza are towards the premium segments of cars in India. Ecopia is a product which we launched a few years ago for fuel efficiency. Firestone is a new brand we brought in, which is meeting the needs of value for money customers in India. And then Elenza is a very sporty, high-end tire. So as you can see, one of the reasons for our success over the last many years has been this very, very specific new products we've brought into the market based on high-end technology that Bridgestone continues to invest in. And today actually is one big step forward in this direction when we are going to launch the latest product in our portfolio.
Enormous, instantaneous.
Chief Marketing and Innovations Officer, and Mr. Chief Commercial Officer, to join on stage.
As you can see, we are very, very excited about this product that we are bringing to the Indian market. And you might wonder why we are so excited. The main reason why we are so excited, we believe that this is a big leap forward in the tire technology in India. We worked very hard with our customers and we figured out that the most important need that they have is to have tires which last longer, which run for more kilometers. And we are very, very happy and excited today to be able to introduce Sturdo into the Indian market, which has up to 29% longer life than the current products. As you can see, it's a significant improvement. So to discuss further about how we were able to get this significant improvement, I'm going to invite Mr. Rajeshri Moitra, who's the Chief Commercial Officer for Bridgestone, to come and continue this dialogue.
Raj here to share our launch and our story around Sturdo. As Parag mentioned, current product portfolio in that segment. We are market leaders in this segment, so we are bringing in a product which further strengthens our product superiority. Sturdo is an effort, and we are very proud of this effort because it's an effort of our local technical teams working closely with 2 global tech centers that Parag shared in delivering this product, and it's a product designed for the Indian market. During the design of this product, we have gone through improving our technology across various performance parameters of the tire. As a lot of you would know, when you improve the wear life of the product, it's the magic triangle, so you may have to trade off in rolling resistance or in bed grip. But we are very proud to share that in Sturdo, while we have improved our wear life by up to 29%, we've managed to improve our rolling resistance coefficient by up to 6% and our wet grip index by up to 4%. We got this through multiple improvements, design changes, using special reinforced compounds across various aspects of the tire. So the first bit, which is our core proposition, is the wear life, a key need for the Indian tire segment. We've used a special reinforced compound to drive superior wear life. This special reinforced compound helps us in better heat absorption and hence delivers up to 29% longer wear life. The 2-ply construction, we've brought in an improved 2-ply construction in the Sturdo tire to deliver stronger durability for Indian road conditions. At Bridgestone, we track the Indian market severity index of road conditions across the country, and with this reinforced 2-ply construction, we are sure it will deliver a durable performance, which again is a key customer need. The triangular block structure helps in better aquaplaning, thus leading to better wet grip index, which is a core safety parameter. So while Sturdo delivers very strong wear life, we have also been able to improve the safety and control of the vehicle. As you all would be hearing, a lot of cars are becoming more silent, so both ambient and in-cabin noise become a very key factor or feature that the consumers are looking at, and we've been able to drive that with a superior tread design in the Sturdo. So all in all, it's a new tire which is going to further establish and strengthen Bridgestone's product superiority in this segment. When we look at the market, we typically segment the market in 3 segments. The SUV segment, which is the fastest growing. Here, Bridgestone has clear market leadership with our dualer range. The next big segment, which is the premium sedan, the MUV and the CUV segment. Here we have products both in the sport as well as in the drive segment through Dueler, Potenza and Alenza series. However, the largest segment in India still continues to be the hatch, the premium hatch and the mid sedan segment, which is basically the Swift, the Grand i20, the Desire, the Ciaz, the Amaze. Here is where we had a very strong product in the B and S series, and we are now further fortifying our product superiority through Sturdo. Sturdo will be launched in 27 variants, sizes for cars across the hatch, the premium hatch and the mid sedan segment, and will be available across 3,100 plus dealer outlets. Sturdo will be in the markets starting 15th of September, and I would request you all to please visit us at store and share your feedback with us on our Sturdo project. To share further insights on how we derived insights to design this product,
I think Parag shared that Bridgestone is a very consumer-centric company. So we do a lot of market research to understand what are the key consumer needs, what are the aspirations, and how these needs are evolving. And through our research, we figured out what are the needs of the consumer from a tire product, as you can see on the screen. But the most important and core need from tire is durability. They want a tire that can withstand the tough road conditions we have in India and last much longer, have a longer life. Over years, we've been in India for over 20 years now. Through our strong performance on the roads as well as strong marketing campaigns, Bridgestone has built a pretty positive and strong imagery and it stands for many good things, as you can see on the screen. But the core perception or the core quality owned by the brand is about durability. Products that last long, are durable and withstand any conditions. Hence, today's launch is in line with the same kind of standards and further enhances our equity on long life of the tire product. The new product lasts up to 29% longer than our current product, which was already one of the best products in the market. We have developed a very strong and insightful marketing campaign to bring this to our key stakeholders. It's based on two core insights. First, I think you all know Indian consumers are very, very deeply value conscious. They want to get and extract the best value out of any products they use, be it a sabun or be it a tire. And secondly, in the tire category, a lot of people go to the store with some brands in mind, but finally the final choice is done in the store, and hence dealer plays a key role of an influencer. So our campaign, or the key question which is asked by the consumer to the dealer is, "Kitna lamba chalega?" And our campaign tries to answer this question. Our campaign is, "Zamana badal jayega, Bridgestone Sturdo chalta jayega." We developed some films around this idea. Let's see that.
भैया वो ब्रिजस्टोन का लंबा चलने वाला टायर है क्या?
लंबा चलने वाला ब्रिजस्टोन का नया वाला टायर देना।
ब्रिजस्टोन का नया वाला
ये लो भाई, ब्रिजस्टोन का नया स्टार्ट, ये लंबा चलेगा।
कितना लंबा चलेगा?
और इतना लंबा चलेगा कि उतने टाइम में आप दूसरे की गाड़ी चलाने से खुद की गाड़ी के मालिक बन सकते हो।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
वही बात कर रहा हूँ।
सही बात कर रहे हैं।
ओ भाई कहाँ हो गया टायर? यहाँ है, तू कहाँ है? लगा लो। All new Bridgestone Sturdo carbon thread compound with strong reinforcement से बना, जिससे उसे मिले ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ और up to 29% longer टायर है। ज़माना बदल जाएगा, Bridgestone से हो सकता है। सर All new Bridgestone Sturdo carbon thread compound with strong reinforcement से बना, जिससे उसे मिले ज़्यादा स्ट्रेंथ और up to 29% longer टायर है। ज़माना बदल जाएगा, Bridgestone से हो सकता है।
We have two films. One is focused on the personal car owners and one is for the taxi drivers. But both the films are focused on the core idea of longer tire life, and it's been executed in a very friendly and a memorable way. I think in line with the target audience insights. We have a very holistic and strong marketing campaign across several touch points to bring this idea to life. We focus a lot on digital marketing because that's where the consumer interest is going as we move in future. And we have a strong digital performance marketing plan. We'll be reaching about 130 million audience through our digital plan. We'll be on all key media publications and auto publications. We'll also have hyper-local search targeting to drive traffic, the online traffic to our stores. That forms a key part of our performance marketing. Influencer marketing is another important element in our plans. It's a new product. We'll be placing it with some of the key influencers, auto influencers, who will try it, experience it, and then write reviews about it. And hence it will generate a lot of positive word of mouth about this product. For the taxi driver segment, which is a very important segment, they are more focused on, it's a business for them. They know the product very well, so they are more focused in terms of the calculations and how it delivers for them. So we will have a lot of on-ground activations to create awareness among taxi drivers and help explain the key proposition to them and hence expect them to buy and use this product. And also create again a lot of good word of mouth. Dealer, as I explained earlier, is an important influencer in this category, and dealer stores will be at the center of our marketing campaign. We have a roadshow which we are planning, which we planned. It's called Sturdo Long Drive Roadshow. It's in association with Radio Mirchi. We'll have a car fitted with Sturdo tyres going across the country, covering 11 cities, and it will be going to some of our key dealer locations. And the RJ will create a good engagement with the dealers as well as the consumer in those dealer stores, and that will be further amplified through the Radio Mirchi FM stations. And actually, this roadshow will be flagged off by our brand ambassador PV Sindhu tomorrow in Hyderabad, where we are doing our dealer conference. We are getting into a festive season now. Diwali is coming, a lot of festivals are coming. So our in-stores visibility also will be a very, very important element, and we'll have a very festive look to our stores as we launch this product. So overall, very strong product, strong proposition, very creatively executed, and a strong marketing plan. And net-net, it is going to help us reinforce our strength in the hatchback and mid-sedan segment. That's where this product is focused, which will further strengthen our market leadership. We are a market leader already, and will further strengthen it. And most importantly, we stand for performance, quality, and durability. This product launch is going to further enhance our equity on those attributes. Thank you very much.
Now invite Bridgestone leaders to be here on stage for the Q&A session.
Once again, I'm going to ask my colleagues to chip in at the right point. So, firstly, on your question about the road conditions in India and the wear and tear that the tires face is very appropriate. And especially when the seasons change, when we go into monsoons, in rural market, all of the conditions really get worse. And that was one of the big insights we had when we launched this product. Because like you saw, it is designed to last longer, but also to be more durable. Like more durable means it can withstand this road conditions in a better way. And I'm going to ask Raj to explain specifically what are the aspects of this tire which will allow it to withstand these road conditions better.
So, thank you, Parag. Like I said, and I had shown, we have reinforced two-ply construction, which makes it much more stronger and ability to absorb the road condition. However, from the end consumer's peace of mind, this tire, if you see, comes with unconditional warranty. So we have further, so it's a new product, it's built stronger, more durable for the Indian market, but to drive consumer peace of mind, we are also offering our unconditional warranty, where the dealer and the consumer, the dealer has the right to decide and provide unconditional warranty to the consumer.
We started upgrading our retail stores. Our typical family retail stores are called Bridgestone Select. We have now launched a concept called Bridgestone Select Plus, which is what we call our digital stores.
And people used to rely on dealer to explain the product. But over time now, as there is more information through internet and everything, consumers are getting more involved and seek more information. So these Select Plus stores are places where we involve the consumer in the purchase journey more. So we have created a digital kiosk, and when the consumer goes to the store, he's able to share what his needs are, what kind of car he drives, what kind of driving experience he has, like really long drives or more short drives, but rough roads, etc. So based on his needs, the product portfolio is displayed to them and explained how the different products are different in various attributes. What is the most suitable product for the consumer? If the consumer wants, he can be assisted through that experience. So through this digital kiosk, we are taking consumer through better understanding of the product and the right choice based on his needs. So that's the Select Plus formats. This is the core element of the format. There are several other things also in that, but that's what is the GS?
So we are talking about the replacement market in the passenger car tire space segment. That's what we are talking about. We are the market leaders. We follow our market share closely. It is tracked by external agencies such as GfK, and our market share for the last year now has been close to 20%. How big is the market now?
So the market, as we estimate, the car and it's a big commercial. So some small commercial pickups also come in. Is around 2 million tires a month in the aftermarket. it is similar. So if you look at OEM, it will be another 1.8 to 2 billion. If you look at the vehicle production into 5 tires in a vehicle. Passenger vehicles will have two segments, the OEM segment and the aftermarket. The aftermarket is roughly around 2 billion tires per month. From a technology point of view, when you talk about puncture resistance, you would either have the run flat technology, which we have globally, and Bridgestone does sell run flat tires in India, or you would have the sedan technology. Sturdo is not a run flat tire. Sturdo does not have the sedan technology. So there is no puncture resistance that is built in. Our Bridgestone, the previous series, or also we have puncture resistance to some extent built into our design by stronger carcass, by the tread, etc. But if you ask of puncture-proof technologies like RFT or sealant technologies, it is not there in Sturdo. However, Bridgestone is among the few brands in India who has the RFT technology. Yeah, we do sell RFT tires in super premium vehicles.
The three things that I talked about in my presentation, really understanding the customer's needs and being able to address that. We are doing that through product and through our retail formats. So that's a journey we are already on. We'll continue to go on it. And then the understanding that what customers and consumers want is longer life in their tires. I think this will be a game changer in the industry for us. So we are hoping that, and we are quite confident actually, that this product will set us apart from the competitors. It is designed specifically for the Indian customers. It is based on the customer's need and road conditions. So it is for the Indian market. There is no plans to export this product. In each market that we are present, we design products for that specific market. So that was the last question. Also, our Indian operations, the investments that we have in the two manufacturing plants are catering to the Indian market, and the growth in the Indian business, as you have seen, has been quite strong. So we believe that all the new capacity that we are bringing on board will continue to service the Indian market. Tires are for the passenger cars. In the truck and bus segment, we have multiple products and in fact we have done some product launches in recent times there as well. I think the biggest change that we see happening in the truck and bus space, which will be good for the industry, is a move towards tubeless radials. Still in India, the use of tubeless radials is very limited, but worldwide tubeless radials have become the standard. So we believe that in the next few years, that will be a very important change that will be helpful for the industry and generally for the environment as well. Presentation, I showed you our worldwide portfolio consists of all tires for multiple segments. We keep evaluating the various segments in India, and as and when we see the opportunity and we see our ability to meet that need in the market, we will come into that. But as of now, we are focusing on the passenger car and the truck and bus segment.
Thank you. So it is up to 29% because it depends on different vehicles and the test conditions. This is benchmarked against our current product offering, which is already a leader in the market in that segment. And like I mentioned, the 29% wear life is a mix of multiple 5 core design changes. One is a special reinforced tread. One is the durability, the two-ply construction. The tread design, the overall design of the tread gives it better life. So it's working on the compound, it's working on the design as well as the construction.
Sudden seizure of all activities, we are all aware of that. Since then, especially in the last year and a half, we have seen that mobility, which is people driving around, has increased and started coming back to pre-pandemic levels. So overall, the demand in the tire industry has gone back to the pre-pandemic levels. And we believe that the tire demand is very closely related to overall economic growth in the country and the penetration of automotive. Both of these are in a positive trend. So we believe that mid to long term, the tire demand in India is going to remain healthy. Ola and Uber and other such
everything.
No, that is an important segment in India and across the world, and actually that segment has been growing, especially before pandemic, it had been growing very strongly. And to some extent it has come back because people still need to move around and not everyone can own a car. It's for those customers which are basically either the fleet owners or the drivers, the long life is very important because it's a direct component of their business profitability. And so this product will be something which they would appreciate very much because it can give you up to 29% longer life. So we are hoping to make a a significant growth in that segment as well with this product. Actually, it is quite difficult for us to track because we don't sell directly to these customers, right? We sell through 3,100 dealers and sub-dealers across the country. So we don't have the direct information, but we know it is an important segment.
So you can call it taxes. 75% comes from consumers and as an industry. But we can't track specifically how much of our business is.
In an input cost like rubber, so and some other of your rivals have already raised tariffs quite significantly.
Yeah, of course, in the last 2 years, all industries have seen a significant increase in input prices. The tire industry or the auto industry has been similar. Our first attempt when we face such a situation is try and improve our internal efficiencies, to try and cut down our costs within the operations. And that's why I talked about operational efficiency. That is our main focus, our first effort. Then in the next phase, we believe in a kind of partnership with our customers and our dealers. So with our OEM customers, we have an agreement where there is a raw material index, which means that we share in whether there is an increase or a reduction in raw material price. So that's one way to mitigate the risk for the whole industry. And then in the final case, when there is almost no possibility to absorb, then we are constrained to raise prices in the market.
आज हमारे बीच पराग जी हैं जो ब्रिजस्टोन इंडिया के एमडी हैं और बाहर का ये प्रोडक्ट है। बहुत से लोग जो हैं इसको अच्छा प्रोडक्ट मानते हैं। वैसे इंडिया में बहुत से और भी प्रोडक्ट हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा टायर हैं हिंदुस्तान में, लेकिन बहुत से लोग अच्छा समझते हैं
हमारी
ब्रिजस्टोन को। तो सर जी, जो इंडिया की मार्केट है उसके लिए आप अभी कितना कैप्चर कर लिया है आपने और कितनी उम्मीद है आपको कि आपका ये जो नया सेगमेंट है ये बहुत चलेगा हिंदुस्तान में?
ब्रिजस्टोन दुनिया की एक बड़ी टायर और रबर प्रोडक्ट्स कंपनी है। जापान में हेड ऑफिस है हमारा, लेकिन 25 साल से पिछले हम इंडिया में भी है। हमारे इंडिया में भी 2 बड़े मैन्युफैक्चरिंग साइट्स हैं और आज के दिन में हमारी कंपनी इंडिया में मार्केट लीडर है पैसेंजर कार टायर्स में। ये नया प्रोडक्ट जो हमने आज लॉन्च किया है स्टर्डो, इससे हमारे कस्टमर को 29% तक की ज़्यादा लाइफ मिल सकती है। तो इसके लॉन्च से हमें विश्वास है कि हमारा मार्केट शेयर और भी बढ़ेगा और इंडियन कस्टमर्स को इसका काफ़ी फ़ायदा होगा।
और ये बहुत ज़्यादा चलने की संभावना इसलिए है कि अभी गडकरी जी ने रोडों को बहुत अच्छा बना दिया है, बहुत अच्छे रोड हो गए, हाईवे बहुत अच्छे।
बिल्कुल इंडिया
तो
में
हो सकता है और ज़्यादा आपका टायर जो है चले, जैसे आपकी उम्मीद है।
हमारी उम्मीद बिल्कुल वही है। इंडिया में अभी काफ़ी प्रगति हो रही है, नए नए रास्ते बन रहे हैं, अच्छे रास्ते बन रहे हैं, लोगों के पास गाड़ी खरीदने के लिए पैसा आ रहा है, इसलिए उनको अच्छे टायर की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। तो पिछले कुछ सालों से हमारा बिज़नेस काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से बढ़ रहा है और हमें काफ़ी उम्मीद है कि ये ऐसे ही बढ़ते रहेगा।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
भाई